Obtain the Thevenin equivalent at terminals A, B of the circuit in figure. We have to find VTH and RTH of this circuit and then find Thevenin equivalent circuit. Solution. First we will redraw the circuit. Now we will find RTH. So to find RTH, we will consider the following circuit. This will be RTH. Now to find RTH, we will open circuit this current source and short circuit voltage source. This will be short circuited. Now as we can see that RTH is equal to 16 ohm plus 10 ohm plus 10 ohm will be 20 ohm. So 20 ohm parallel with 5 ohm. 20 ohm parallel with 5 ohm. This will be 16 ohm. 16 plus 20 into 5 divided by 20 plus 5. This will be 16 plus 20 into 5 divided by 20 plus 5. So it is 20 ohm. 20 ohm is the value of RTH. Next we have to find VTH. So to find VTH, this will be VTH. Here this will be VTH. Let's assume this is node V1, this is node V2 and this is node VTH. We will use nodal analysis here to find VTH. We will apply KCL at node V1. So let's say this is ground with 0 voltage or reference node, and this is current I1, this is current I2, this is current I3 and this is current I4. So apply KCL at node V1. So summation of all the entering current at this node is I1 plus 3. I1 plus 3 is equal to I2. I1 is 24 minus V1 by 10. 24 minus V1 by 10 plus 3 is equal to I2. I2 is V1 minus V2 by 10. V1 minus V2 by 10. Now this will be 24 divided by 10 minus V1 by 10 plus 3 is equal to V1 by 10 minus V2 by 10. Now this will be 24 by 10 or 2.4 minus V1 by 10 plus 3 minus V1 by 10 minus V2 by 10 plus V2 by 10 is equal to 0. Now this will be 1 by 10. So this will be minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 will be minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 V1. Then this will be plus V2 by 10. Then is equal to, this will be 2.4 plus 3. So 5.4 minus 5.4. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we will apply KCL at node V2. Apply KCL at node V2. So entering current at this node is I2. I2 is equal to leaving current is I3 plus I4. I2 is equal to I3 plus I4. I2 is V1 minus V2 by 10. V1 minus V2 by 10 is equal to I3. I3 is V2 minus 0 by 5. V2 minus 0 by 5 plus I4. I4 is V2 minus VTH by I4. V2 minus VTH by 16. V2 minus VTH by 16. So this will be V1 by 10, then minus V2 by 10, minus V2 by 5, then this will be minus V2 by 16, then plus VTH by 16 is equal to 0. Now this will be V1 by 10 as it is, then this will be minus 1 by 10, minus 1 by 10, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 16, this will be minus 29 by 80, minus 29 by 80 V2 plus VTH by 16 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 2. Next, we will apply KCL at node VTH. Apply KCL at node VTH. So this will be entering current at this node is I4 and leaving current is 3. So I4 is equal to 3. I4 is equal to 3. Now I4 is V2 minus VTH by 16. V2 minus VTH by 16 is equal to 3. So this will be directly V2 minus VTH is equal to 16 into 3, 48. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now we will solving equation 1, 2 and 3. We get from equation number 1 mod 5 2, this will be minus 1 by 5, then 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Then VTH is absent here, so 0. Then minus 5.4. From equation number 2, this will be 1 by 10 minus 29 by 80 minus 29 by 80, then 1 by 16, 1 divided by 16 is equal to 0. Then from equation 3, this will be V1 is absent, so 0, then 1, then minus 1, then 48. So this will be V1 is equal to 26.4 volt. V2 is equal to minus 1.2 volt, and VTH is equal to minus 49.2. Minus 49.2 volt is the value of VTH. Now we have the value of VTH and RTH. This is RTH. What we have to find? We have to find Thevenin equivalent at terminals AB of the circuit. So its Thevenin equivalent circuit will be RTH in series with VTH. This will be plus, this will be minus. This is RTH and this is VTH. VTH is equal to minus 49.2 volt and RTH is equal to 20 ohm. So this is 20 ohm and this terminal is A and this terminal is B. So this is A and this is B. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.